Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've now switched over. It took me about, I don't know, 15 minutes. I've switched over to another computer, which I'm running SDR Uno, and I'm using my SDR Play 1 with a medium wave filter, and it's connected to the G5RV antenna that I had my Grundig 750 connected to. And now I tuned to the same frequency that I was getting that strong signal on my other radio, and now it's not in Chinese. And here, if I use the database, this is the EIBI database that I loaded into SDR Uno, and I click on the option to filter by frequency. It shows me that there are 4 possible stations on this frequency. There's China Radio, which is what I thought I was hearing, and it says China Radio Jammer / Fire Drake. I'm not sure what that means. Then there's North Korea, and then there's KTWR Trans World Radio, and finally Voice of America. So there's at least 4 possibilities of stations I may have heard. And look at that little signal coming across the screen right now. Just kind of drifting across the screen. I forgot what that is. It's a known phenomenon. Anyway, let's go back and turn the audio back on. That's getting buzzy. And let me mute it. And you can see down here, I'm kind of tuned between 2 very strong signals. Here comes this guy surfing along here. So let's detune a little bit here and see what's on those 2 frequencies. All right, let's turn the audio back on.
Aware of the Democrats and GOP strategists want to use that dilemma to make Democrats more uncomfortable.
Okay, there's something at 7.485.
Independent voters is easy. The economy is strong.
And then we go the other way.
Enacting a conservative wish list. America.
Well, I went past.
It's a base motivator so that we have to remind voters that the things Democrats want to do are not mainstream.
Let me turn the audio down. So I think what I'm seeing on the screen is the real signal and then like a sideband of the same signal, because I didn't get another station when I tuned around there. And then there's further down is 2 really strong stations down at 7.35 plus or minus. Let's go down there. Yeah. Now that I think is a nearby station. Now over here in the database, it lists a whole bunch of possibilities. Oh my gosh. That's 7.36, which is where I'm at. But that's definitely Spanish music, and I think it's something close to me, either in South Florida or Cuba, somewhere down there. Let's tune the other big signal here. Same thing. And then we get into a handband. So it's kind of like I suggested in the previous video, is during these periods where the solar flux index is really low, you can get some weird conditions and some weird stations coming in. I mean, When I say weird, I mean unusual. So, you know, even though the solar flux index is down and in general, shortwave listening is not too good, don't give up. I mean, there's things out there to listen to. Just, I spend most of my time in the shortwave band just searching for things. I don't dwell on a station. I don't listen to particular shows, although I used to, but I don't anymore. I like to find things. So get your radio out, start tuning the bands and see what you find, and give us a report. Let us know if you found something unusual. It may not be there, you know, the next time we try it. It may be gone. I still don't know exactly which one of these stations are over here. Let me get back up there. 7.5. They list in a database. There's a possibility of four possible stations.
So, had been a guerrilla fighting Japanese invaders, but seemingly less known.
To me, that sounds like Trans World Radio, the third entry there in the database. So give it a try. You never know what you're going to find on shortwave. And of course, like the article mentioned, there's a lot of activity in the lower frequency bands, high meter bands, where the amateur radio operators are. That's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.